Looking for a compact dashcam that delivers true 4K recording without the premium price tag? Viofo may have just answered that call. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Viofo A119M Pro, a newly launched single-channel dashcam that combines Sony's latest sensor technology with modern features at a surprisingly aggressive price. The A119M Pro is Viofo's latest addition to its budget-focused lineup, but don't let that label fool you. This dashcam is designed to punch well above its weight, offering 4K front-facing recording, advanced night performance, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, and built-in GPS, all packaged into a compact, discreet form factor. At the heart of the A119M Pro is a Sony IMX678 1.18-inch 8-megapixel sensor built on Sony Starvis 2 technology. This enables 4K recording at 30 frames per second, delivering sharp visuals, accurate colors, and improved dynamic range. According to Viofo, the sensor is optimized to capture fine details such as license plates and road signs, critical for both daily driving and incident documentation. Low light performance is another highlight. The A119M Pro features enhanced night vision, designed to retain clarity even in poorly lit environments. Combined with HDR support, the camera balances bright headlights and dark surroundings, helping ensure usable footage during night driving or in tunnels. One standout upgrade is Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, offering transfer speeds of up to 30 megabytes per second. This makes downloading footage noticeably faster through Viofo's companion app. The dashcam also supports hands-free voice control in 4 languages: English, Chinese, Russian, and Japanese, adding convenience while keeping your hands on the wheel. Additional features include built-in GPS, 24/7 parking mode, loop recording, automatic emergency locking, time-lapse recording, and motion-based event detection. A Bluetooth remote control provides quick access to key functions, especially useful while driving. Measuring just 1.81 by 1.86 by 2.94 inches, the A119M Pro is compact enough to stay out of sight. While it doesn't include built-in storage, it supports microSD cards up to 512 gigabytes, offering plenty of recording space. Priced at $189.99, it's currently available for $139 during Viofo's holiday sale, making it a strong value proposition. With modern connectivity, reliable 4K performance, and a competitive price, the Viofo A119M Pro stands out as a compelling choice for drivers who want premium features without overspending. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech coverage.